Okay, so in this video, we're going to be dealing with the surface area of pyramids. So remember, surface area, you want to cover the entire surface. So if you unfolded this, you would get your base, which could be a rectangle or a square, and then you'd have your 4 triangles. So the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2, and you'd have 4 of those, and then your base would be length times width. So you will not be given the formula for surface area of a pyramid, but all it is adding formulas that you already know. So 4 triangles and 1 base. So for this one, you're asked to find the surface area of the pyramid. The height is 12 centimeters. And it says it has a square base with a side length of 10. And we're asked to find the surface area. But now remember that if you're trying to find surface area, you're actually on the surface out here. So the height of your triangle is actually the slant height, not the perpendicular height of your pyramid. So if you can imagine this as a right triangle going right through the center of your pyramid, then I can use Pythagorean theorem to figure out my slant height, which is the height of my triangle, not the height of the pyramid. So if you're looking at your base right here, the whole side of my square base is 10, which means this side of my triangle is only 5 centimeters. So if I did Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, my base is 5, the height of the pyramid is 12, equal to c squared, 5 squared is 25, 12 squared is 144. So the sum of those is 169, and the square root of 169 is 13. So this gives us the height of our triangle, which is the slant height of the pyramid. And that's what you'd have to use for your surface area. So it tells us it has a square base. So the base is length times width, plus I'd have 4 triangles, and they're all the same size. And the formula for a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So make sure that you don't get mixed up in the height of the triangle and the height of the pyramid, because the height of the triangle, remember, it's on the surface, so it's actually 13 and not the 12. Okay, so for my base, length times width, it's a square, so it's 10 by 10. I have 4 triangles. The base of each triangle, it's not this triangle here because it's a triangle on the surface. So the base of that triangle is 10. The height of that triangle is 13 divided by 2. So the square base, 10 by 10, would give me 100. I have 4 triangles, and each of those triangles is 130 divided by 2, or 65. So I have 100 for my base, plus 4 times 65 is 260. So my total surface area for my pyramid is 360 centimeters squared.